Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? Today, I am vlogging because I am going to Dollar Tree. So I'm going to get a few clips and then I'm in the car already. So I'm vlogging today. This filter definitely just fell off, didn't it? Oh well, whatever. Going to Dollar Tree, so you guys are going to come with me. Hopefully I'll get a few clips while I'm there in the store. So I already have my mask on. Try to get a few clips while I'm in the store. And then I will show you guys what I picked up. I'm putting myself on a budget today, so it shouldn't be too big of a haul once I do get that and we get home and we can go through everything because I'm putting myself on a budget. I think my budget for today is going to be like $40, so we'll see what I pick up for $40. Wow, this is the filter I was trying to use. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope that you guys do. Hit the little bell notification. I almost forgot what to say. Hit the little bell notification so that YouTube can alert you every time I post new videos. I'm trying to keep hauls, like shopping hauls, on Sundays, and then I'll use my extra days, which I think I chose either Wednesday or Thursday, for different types of videos. So let's go on in to Dollar Tree.
Maybe you have freckles.
Yeah, here at Dollar Tree. Oh, and in the thing I see all the planter pots.
What?
I can see all the planter pots that are behind me.
Nice.
I don't know why, but the Valentine's Day stuff just like isn't that exciting today. Like nothing here. Oh, I'm gonna go look at this stuff though. Oh my god. These are actually really good colors for these. Have these gel pens here. I wanted something to write on black paper. But I feel like someone found something else that like specifically says for black paper. Oh my god, you're so cool. And then they have other colors. Oh yeah, there's other colors. Look at that. There's a gold one. I don't like that gold tone though. And pink. Is that the only colors there?
Yep.
Suck, man. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Look at this one. Those ones look such.
Oh, these are these are little ones.
Is that like what you just got from Amazon? Okay, well, I love the containers that are like this. That have like, please.
Nothing, we good.
You might want to put, what's it called, on the airplane mode so I don't get like text or something that bump it.
That's the least of our worries.
It's not actually because it'll cut out.
It's okay.
Video. I'm gonna get poster boy.
School project.
Wow, I'm actually doing really good so far, but I haven't made it to the makeup section yet. What is this? Why does it have like a little hole in it?
A hole in a jar?
Why is it like that?
I don't know.
Oh, these are... I do not need that.
Oh, here you go. Here's your own tape measure.
Here. Battleship. You know, I never found the like astrology books for my zodiac. That was upsetting. I don't need any of those. Ah. Oh look. What are these, drill bits? I like the shadow boxes that you can switch the stuff out for, like in, whatever. That's why I was looking at the Valentine's Day ones, but I don't feel like spending $1.25 on these. These ones are cuter. So there's this one right here. You can change the dates on. Oh, this one. That's a good one. And then there's this one here. Which one's your favorite?
I don't know. It's a tough choice.
Remember when I was trying to find one with the like, they have a ton of these lids, but what are these for? Like they have so many. They're just like chilling. What are they for? It's not bad. There's another one. Let's go. Oh, let's go this way. There's nothing really that I want in this aisle, but let's go this way. Oh, let's do it from that angle. This way. No. Oh, these are nice. Wow. These look nice if you have like a bar cart. I almost dropped it. These, I wanted to get these to use these as cups. Actual drinking glasses for like alcohol.
Oh, which color?
Whoa, there's rose gold, gold or silver.
I don't know. You pick one. I want one though for our candles.
I don't think I want that one. Either silver or gold. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Silver.
Oh, get that set down. I don't need that. One. Whoa, is this like a pop socket? Wow. It's literally like a pop socket. And they have so many. There's the blue, pink, green. Oh, well, look at this one. I don't think I've seen it. Okay. Oh, look at this one. They have so many different kinds. I don't know why I think they're cute. This is a good little organizer container.
You know what that's for?
Probably screws.
Yep.
Huh. They look kind of nice, but I'm on a budget today, so... Ooh, that nail polish is nice. Baby porcelain. Ooh. So... Individual lashes, why do they look like that, though? Weird. I wanted more of these socks. Dude, I literally just ordered socks, and now here we are to find these. What's something about what diabetic socks? What does it do? But those only have one in there, and then these have 3 in a pack. And they only come in white. They only come in white. You might use it for what?
Work tomorrow. Actually, the size of it is way too big.
Sweatpants. Dry blend. It's 4XL. This one feels nice. It's a different like material, but it's 5XL. There's navy blue ones. There's a purple. Oh, there's a lot in there. Oh my god. They're all stuck. Small. Be careful. I literally have nothing to do with these. These are really nice and sturdy. Usually the plastic's like super flimsy. All the colors are so nice. This gets me. Ooh. That's a nice storage container. Yet again, I have nothing that I could put in here until I get home, and then I'll think of something to put it in. With a blue lid too.
Show me.
But see, it's like that flimsy plastic. Wow, I have a new cleaned out drawer that could use something like this.
Yeah.
Ooh, This is all new. And what are these little soaps? But I'm really showing this stuff. Ooh. Roll-on aromatherapy. Alright, but these by the Ioni primer face setting spray. Oh wow. Highlighters. I don't know anything about these though. Like if they're good or anything. I already got like some of these, I think. I think I already have this one. Mascara. Ooh, glitter liners. That's fun. Tinted lip balms. And this lip gloss. I love trying new lip glosses. And usually cheaper lip glosses are the best lip glosses. Beauty section. We need all this, right? Just kidding. Alright. Usually every time I'm here too, I look for my deodorant that I like. Did I pass deodorant? Nice looking.
Hershey squirt.
What's wrong with you? Wow. Usually I buy these ones too. And these ones because these are awesome. You get so much in there for, well, I guess $1.25 now. I love the packaging of this stuff. Look at the packaging. It looks so nice. Bolero brand. Oh. Ow. Oh my god, that's so weird. I picked this up because I was like, this is probably actually candy in this section, but it's a bath bomb.
Oh, that's real
It's
good.
actually a bath bomb.
Wow. That's not smart.
Why? Because kids will think it's candy?
Yeah. I thought it was candy.
I thought it was candy too. That's why I was like, that's not going to be anything for over here.
You know,
Back up, please. Thank you.
they're putting orange tips on the end of real guns now.
Really?
Yeah.
Silicone facial cleansing brush for $1.25. And a facial massager. Alright, this one's open. Whoa. It doesn't have batteries in it, does it? Need batteries. I would get one of these, but I don't need it. And then you have the massager, and they've got like the face brush. And that's pretty cool. Only $1? Like I almost want it just because it's $1, but I really don't need it. And I'm on a budget, unfortunately. There's supposedly really large hair clips that have come out, and I can never find any other good hair stuff. These are cute. They have different colors. If I was on a budget, I would buy one of each. Honestly. Did I already show that color? I don't think I did. Silver? Wow. What's this? A hair styling sponge. Oh, wow, these are nice in person. These are super nice in person. I wanted to get these, but I never wear headbands. I don't think I see anything new though. This is all stuff that's been here.
Talk louder.
So cute. These are new. Over there. Oh, is this what I already grabbed? Yeah, I already grabbed that. Oh, look at this. What a face mask. Oh, what? I'm not taking that.
You gotta talk louder. They're not gonna hear you in the video. I'm just trying to. I already know.
Primer. Never seen that one. I would get this, but I don't need it. I don't know. Oh, these ones are cute. Excuse me, sir. None of that, please. I've got a lot of these too.
Are these makeups from Britain?
That's a good little set. And for the mascara, you can't have it.
I got this.
Oh.
I'm the camera guy.
Ew, I don't like how these look at all. Ew. What if you saw me wear these?
I would wrestle you to the ground and pluck them out with those. I would comb them. I would put them in braids. I would put some gel in them and spike them up.
What is this? Bath bomb and body wash. That's kind of cute.
Ooh.
I usually always get at least one natural deodorant and a regular. Is that bad? I hate when
I don't care. Whoa, what is that?
the Diva chocolate domes. And don't be making sounds in the back of my video.
Double chocolate, that sounds good.
Dark chocolate, ooh, sea salt caramel. Good things.
Oh, how did I do that? Oh, that's awesome.
This is Christmas.
I'm the best camera guy now.
Sweet edible candy cup. Christmas. Oh, look at this. Your hearts. Why are you the best camera person? All your favorites. Ew.
Please.
Grab it.
I can't, my hands are full.
Well, if you weren't already opening.
It's okay. 2, please.
Got 2 for you.
Thank you. Burritos. Oh, burritos. Bean and cheese. Oh. What is that? Croissant? Oh.
But it's got chocolate and cream filling, and it looks like a marshmallow. And I don't
Not
know.
feeling it?
I don't eat marshmallows. Have they always had banana chips? Oh, I'm thinking plantain chips, huh? Banana chips, but
there they
these
are.
plantains. There's a lot in that bag. People actually like these chips. Oh, you like those chips, don't you?
They're like Fritos.
Fritos.
Yeah. What's wrong with Fritos?
All right, so somewhat of a successful Dollar Tree trip. Oh my God, I forgot the word. They have a nice Porsche. Is that a Porsche? It was okay. I was supposed to be on a budget of only spending $40. Guess how much we spent? I think how much was it? 57?
No, it was like 71.
Oh, it was like 61. 61. I just had my receipt. I don't know about that. 61 doll hairs because of somebody adding a ton of gum.
I added like $3 worth of gum. You always use my tool.
$3. Okay, we're gonna count how much stuff someone else added to my basket.
Ain't my fault. They made it $1.25 now.
It did ring up a lot faster. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw 50 and then it was automatically $1 already. We were only 2 items in. I was like, what?